तो आप लोगों ने मेरी ये वाली रील तो देखी होगी, माइट बी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम और ऑन यूट्यूब. So today we will talk about that one reel. It went viral on Instagram. Hi, my name is Sneha and today I'm going to share you something that is more real than any reel. Everybody saw that one viral reel, but I guess nobody knows the struggle behind that. It was my CS executive result reaction video. So thought to share you my CS executive journey. And I believe that majority of the students in CS are those they clear CS 80 in the first attempt, but somehow for some reason एग्जीक्यूटिव क्लियर नहीं हो पाता है एंड वो जून दिसंबर का लूप चलता रहता है. And yes, I was also that one student. Okay, so let's go back to the year December in 2022 when I gave my first attempt of CS executive. And to be honest, I wasn't prepared for the attempt. Like मेरा syllabus ही complete नहीं हुआ था. So yeah, I messed up in my first attempt. Not because I didn't work hard, but honestly because I didn't even know that what CS demands. And that I was thinking हो जाएगा attempt देकर देखते हैं. But you know what? This course demands a lot of hard work, discipline, and consistency. And so I decided to let's give it a try. So I appeared for the first time in December 2022. एग्ज़ाम दिया, अच्छा नहीं हुआ क्योंकि मेरी प्रिपरेशन ज़ीरो थी. एंड द रिज़ल्ट केम ऑन 25th of Feb 2023 with a big bold letter fail. And I guess that was my first biggest failure of my life. And I was someone जिसने स्कूल टाइम से ही कभी भी अपनी लाइफ में फेलियर वर्ड देखा नहीं था. एंड दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने अपनी मार्कशीट पे फेल लिखा हुआ देखा. इवन दो आई नो मेरी प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुई थी, दैट अटेम्प्ट वॉज जस्ट अ ट्रायल, बट दैट फेलियर हिट्स हार्डर. So yeah, I messed up in my first attempt. And what I'm proud of myself that I never thought कि मुझे CS छोड़ देना चाहिए. So I told myself that
Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay.
I started preparing again for my second attempt. There I did my another mistake. मुझे एग्ज़ाम के बाद ही प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर देनी चाहिए थी, बट आई वेटेड फॉर माई रिजल्ट एंड इस चक्कर में आई वेस्टेड ऑलमोस्ट माई 2 months. So now I only had 3 months left for my next attempt. But deep down I knew that 3 months were not enough to clear both groups. And now I started thinking, should I go for one module or both modules? And guess what? Another wrong decision. I ended up choosing both modules. And that was my mistake. I am accepting that. मैंने both groups के लिए appear किया and confidently 3 महीने में both groups की preparation करके exam देने गई. The result came on 25th of August 2023, but life had other plans. I failed again. And you know what? This time it hits even harder because this time the result came on my mom's birthday. It was a very special day for me, for my family, because it was my mom's birthday. And उस दिन भी मैं उस दिन fail देखना. At that day, I couldn't even look in her eyes. Felt like I'd let her down. But now, it wasn't just about passing the exam anymore. It was to prove myself that I can do anything. I could rise again. So I made a promise to myself and to her that on next 25th of August 2024, on my mom's birthday, I will clear CS executive exam for sure. So I started preparing again for my exams, and this time I wrote down all my mistakes in a paper and started working on that. I completed revision, answer writing and everything. I gave my exam, and guess what? For the very first time when I opened my mark sheet, I saw the word pass. That one word I had been dying to see for a very long time. And then I gave my second module in June 2024. Now it's 25th of August in 2024, my result day and also my mom's birthday. This time I knew one thing, that I had given it everything and whatever will be the result, I will accept it. अगर आज मेरा second module clear हो जाता है, then I will be in CS professional. So this was the most awaited day for me. And now you know that why I cried so much in my result reaction video. I opened the portal, entered my roll number, and here it is. I finally cleared my CS executive, and more importantly, I kept my promise to myself and to my mom. Her smile that day, I can't even describe it. The happiness on their face made every struggle worth it. I just wanted to tell you everyone who are in the same situation right now, whether you are in executive or you are in professional or you are doing any course. Failing an exam does not mean that you are a failure. It means that you are still on the fight. And trust me that this is just a chapter, not your whole story. I know what it feels like crying alone, having no one by your side. To my all friends who are in the same situation right now, if nobody is telling you, I am proud of you for not giving up. Just keep doing it. In the end, you will proud of yourself. So yes, this is all about my CS executive story.
That's alright, that's okay. In the end, it's better for me. That's the moral of the story.